Want to get started in options trading but still haven't wrapped your head around the Greeks? Well, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to give you everything you need to know about the most important Greek, delta, and what it means for option trading. Now, mastering delta can give you a significant edge in options trading, helping you make smarter, more strategic trades. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a super simple explanation of delta for complete beginners. We'll go through a few examples so you get the hang of it, and then I'll give you a secret sauce of how to use delta to your advantage when trading options. So delta is a very simple idea. You might remember back in school, in grade school, where they talked about math and changes in numbers. They'd often call that the delta. So delta talks about change. And what we're really talking about with delta in options is the change in the value of your option. How does it change? So delta is tied to a $1 move in the stock. So let's say I own a stock at $50 and I see the option associated with that stock, the one I've chosen, has a delta of 0.50. Well, that means that if this stock goes $1 from $50 to $51, I'm going to make 50 cents on my option. But if that stock falls from 50 to 49, I'm going to lose 50 cents. So a 0.50 delta means that that option has a sensitivity of 50 cents up or down with a $1 move in the stock up or down. And it really doesn't matter what the stock price is. We can choose a stock price of $100. And let's say the delta is 0.30 or 30 cents. That means if that stock goes up $1 from 100 to 101, just made 30 cents. But if that stock falls from 100 to 99, just lost 30 cents with a 0.30 delta. It's really important to know what delta is, because it really helps me understand the sensitivity I'm going to have in the value of that option with a $1 move in the stock. Now, I said there'd be a little bit of secret sauce. This is a great way to get a ballpark guess at probability as well. Whenever we look at options, we really want to have three things in mind. We want to know the reward of what we might make. We want to know the risk of what we might lose, but we also want to know the probability. Let me put it this way. If I were to say, go to the grocery store and go pick up a carton of milk, is that high risk or low risk? People say, well, it's low risk. No, it's actually high risk. Anything can happen between now and when we drive to the grocery store. Might get hit by a cement truck. Who knows? It's high risk. We literally risk our lives every time we put that seatbelt on and drive in a car. So when you talk about risk, you talk about the worst case scenario. The reason people feel that's low risk is because it's high probability. And that's the secret sauce where delta can give us an idea. For example, if I have an option that gives me the right to, it's a call option. I have the right to buy something at $100, and I see a delta of 0.10. There's roughly about a 10% chance, a 10% probability that stock will have some intrinsic value in it someday, that it'll be worth something. So if I have a delta of 0.50, then there's about a 50% chance that by expiration, that option will be worth something. So not only does delta tell us how much a stock is likely to move in terms of its value with a $1 change in the stock, it also can give me a pretty good guess at the probability that that option is going to be worth something at expiration. Look, if the terminology around option trading is freaking you out, don't worry. I have a complete beginner's guide to trading options that I just made for you right here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next one.